Let me show you guys how I made this lovely bridal dress for my beautiful client. Did you see the detailing of the dress, and did you see the pattern on this material? Oh my god, honestly, this is amazing. The material was fantastic. So my client brought in her material. We had a virtual consultation with her, and she stipulated she wanted a simple bridal dress for her wedding. We went through the process of sketching the base rather, and she loved it. We made one or two corrections on our sketch, and when we presented the final sketch to her, she loved it, and we started the whole process of making the beautiful bridal dress. So as we all know, every masterpiece starts with a sketch, a pattern drafting. So we have to use our measurements and do the whole pattern for her bridal dress. After which we confirmed everything we were doing. Then we started the tracing out and cutting off the pattern. And note, any mistake you make on pattern, just know that your dress is ruined, except you can fix it, which definitely you wouldn't make such mistakes on your pattern. So we started the whole process, then we started the cutting of the material. So the first is the base of the wedding dress, which is the corset part. So we drafted the corset pattern and we started cutting the material to make the base of the corset. So we did the whole cutting process, which we need to take our time.
you feel when you see it?
I don't know.
Okay, so close your eyes. Don't cry. You see? Okay, so surprise.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That's so stunning.
Oh.
Better than what I imagined.
Are you serious?
Oh, I love the lace.
Oh my god.
This is bridal perfection.
Oh, yes.
I'm so excited.
Glad you are. So let's put it on and see how it looks on you, right?
Yes.
You can wait.